What's this dessert? It smells amazing.
It's an old family recipe. Would you like to try?
Thank you. It looks delicious. The night is so beautiful, so peaceful.
Tea for you, miss. Enjoy the evening.
Thank you. It smells wonderful. Look at these pomegranates. Aren't they beautiful?
They look delicious. Should we get some to share?
Great idea. Let's grab a few. This garden is so peaceful. I could stay here forever.
It's like a hidden gem. I'm glad we found it.
Me too. Moments like these are priceless.
The desert sunset. Breathtaking, isn't it?
Absolutely. It feels timeless.